Hello everyone. In the previous video we have discussed about exercise 4.3 part 1. Okay, and in this video we are going to start exercise 4.3 part number 2. Okay, so here your question is given. First part is there, 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12. Okay, now see how to solve this. Now 2 is multiplied with the whole equation. Okay, when 2 is multiplied with the whole equation, so directly we can do its transpose. Okay, so that means x plus 4 is equal to 12 by 2. Okay, now see, when you will divide 12 with 2, what you will get here? 6. X plus 4 is equal to 6. Okay, now see which operation is applied here. X plus 4, that means 4 is plus form with the x. So when we will transpose it on the right hand side, what you will get here? 6 minus 4, that is 2. X is equal to 2 is your final answer. Okay, one more method you have. How can you do this? So same statement we will write here firstly. Okay, now see how I have told you that directly we can divide 2 on the right hand side. Okay, we can directly transpose 2 to the right hand side. Okay, and the another method is there, we can multiply 2 with the equation firstly. Okay, so when you will multiply 2 with x, what you will get here? 2x. When you will multiply 2 with 4, what you will get here? 8. Okay, 2 we have to multiply with whole equation. Okay, not with x only. So this is equal to 12. Okay, now see 8, which operation is applied here? Plus, so that means after the transpose it will be changed into minus. 12 minus 8. Okay, so 2x is equal to 12 minus 8 is 4. Now 2 and x, which operation is applied here? Multiply, then after the transpose it will be changed into division. So this is equal to 4 by 2 is 2, x is equal to 2. You can see that with both the methods answer will remain same. Now with the same method only you have to complete part number B and C. D part I will tell you. Only just sign difference is there. See, minus 4 and 2 plus x both are multiplied. That means after the transpose it will be changed into division. So 8 by minus 4. When you will divide 8 with minus 4, this is equal to minus 2. That means 2 plus x is equal to minus 2. Okay, so that means now which operation is applied here? Plus, now we have to transpose 2 to the right hand side. So it will be changed into minus. So x is equal to minus 4. Understood? Your E part is there. 4 into 2 minus x is equal to 8. Okay, so that means 4 is multiplied with 2 minus x. So directly we can transpose it on the right hand side. So this is equal to 8 by 4. When you will divide 8 with 4, you will get here 2. That means 2 minus x is equal to 2. Okay, now see, we have to transpose 2 to the right hand side. So minus x. Now see which sign is there with x? Minus. So it will remain same. Minus x is equal to 2 minus 2, and this is equal to 0. Okay, now see minus x is equal to 0. When you will take minus to the right hand side, so that means x is equal to 0, because minus 0 and plus 0 is not required here. Okay, only 0 is there. Now see in the third part, A part is given to you. 4 is equal to 5 into p minus 2. Okay, in the same way as we have discussed earlier, firstly we have to take 5 to the left hand side, we have to do the transpose and it will be changed into division. This is equal to p minus 2. Okay, now see, p minus 2 is equal to 4 by 5. Okay, we can write left hand side to the right hand side and right hand side to left hand side. Okay, because in the equality we can write 2 equal to 2 in any form. Okay, now see, p and 2, which operation is applied here? Minus. So that means after the transpose it will be changed into plus. Okay, now you already know about it, how to solve this. Now we have to take the LCM of 5 and 1, so it will remain 5. 4 plus, now see, to make it 5, what we have to do? We have to multiply with 5 by 5, so that means upper side it will become 10. So this is equal to 14 by 5. That means value of p is 14 by 5. This is your answer. Got it? In the same way you can complete B part. Okay, and your C part is there. 16 is equal to 4 plus 3 into t plus 2. Okay, now see, firstly here it is 16 is equal to 4 plus 3 into t plus 2. Okay, now see, firstly we will change this plus or minus which thing is given to us. that we will do the transpose to the left hand side or the right hand side. Okay, now see, we have to do the variable separation. Okay, so we have to keep it separate. Okay, now 4 is plus with this, so that means after the transpose it will be changed into minus, so this is equal to t plus 2. Okay, 16 minus 4 is 12, this is equal to 3 into t plus 2. This I have already told you that how to solve. See, 3 is multiplied with the whole equation, that means after the transpose we can directly change it to the division. So this is equal to t plus 2. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now see, 2 is with the plus, 2 is plus with t, so that means after the transpose it will be changed into minus. So value of t is 2. Okay, this is your answer. One last part we will discuss, E part. 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 into m minus 6. Okay, so firstly we will do the transpose of this number 16. Okay, 0 minus 16 is equal to, this will remain same. Okay, now 0 minus 16 is minus 16. Now see, 4 is multiplied with the whole equation, that means after the transpose it will be changed into division. So this is equal to m minus 6. Okay, divide these numbers, you will get here minus 4, m minus 6. Now 6 is with the 6 is having the operation of minus, so that means after the transpose it will be changed into plus. Okay, so plus minus minus, 6 minus 4 is 2, sign of greater number, this is equal to m, that means value of m is equal to plus 2. Got it? Now see, in the fourth part we have to construct 3 equations starting from x is equal to 2. Okay, now see, how can we construct the equations? We have to apply the same operation on left hand side and right hand side. Okay, so here we can write multiply both sides with 2. So what you will get here, 2x is equal to 4. Here when we will multiply x with 2, you will get here 2x. When you will multiply 2 with 2, you will get here 4. Okay, same we can do with the addition, add 2 on both sides. So what we will get here, x plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 2, that means x plus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, same way we can write for the subtraction, subtract 2 on both the sides. Okay, so that means what we have to write here, x minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So that means x minus 2 is equal to 0. So these are the 3 equations that we have to construct. Okay, any operation you can apply over here. Okay.